Go.
Ganda suara.
Aduh. Hi, dear, what a surprise!
I don't believe it. What are you doing here in California?
Oh, I just spent a few days with my parents. Now I'm on my way back to Mexico.
Oh my God. Gee, it's been a long time.
It's so hot. Say, I heard you started. I heard you started. I heard you started. Your oven. No. Your oven.
Huh?
Computer. Bukan. Mom. Mom. Mom business.
How did you know?
My father. Sikit.
Koshi!
Kikip.
He keep
Like.
straight out
Oh.
your arm.
Okay. See you later.
See you later.
Bye.
Bye.